Meaning of frequently.
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 Frequently. Frequently means that something occurs or happens often or repeatedly, with a high frequency or regularity. It suggests a pattern of behavior happening with some level of consistency over time, and can be used to describe how often an event or action occurs within a specific time frame. For example, a person who frequently visits the gym might go 3 or 4 times a week. The term frequently can also suggest a sense of routine or predictability, depending on the context in which it is used.